Hi. What's your name?
Jolie Haben.
Hi, Jolie Haben. What are you doing? Are you drinking milk?
No.
Can you play peekaboo with me?
Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Dropped.
Papa's.
Bye.
What are you gonna do?
Show me peekaboo.
Where's Jolie?
Where's Jolie? Where'd she go?
Peekaboo.
Where's Jolie? Where's Jolie? Oh! Peekaboo. Where's Jolie? Where'd she go? I don't know.
Oh! Peekaboo, please.
Hey!
That's the Jolie Haben.
Yeah. Jolie Haben. Can you show me peekaboo one more time? Where's Jolie? No? All done? What you eating there? Something yummy? Crackers? Mm-hmm. Bye.
Bye.
It's Super Bowl Sunday 2011. Daddy's just home from Wetaskiwin. He sits on the comfy couch when all of a sudden...
Oh, hi, Dad. Yes, yes, go Green Bay. 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 Go. They're the best. Yes, yes, yes. Go Green Bay. Yay. Ta-da.